Did you know that mushrooms are the only fruit or vegetable which naturally contains vitamin D? Fascinating, isn't it? This marvelous little fungi, often overlooked in our daily diets, holds a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. In the heart of the bustling city of New York lived a woman named Sarah. A busy professional, Sarah's lifestyle was nothing short of chaotic. Long hours of work, irregular meals, and a lack of proper nutrition took a toll on her health. She started experiencing fatigue, her immunity dropped, and she was constantly falling ill. One day, Sarah stumbled upon an article about the health benefits of mushrooms. Intrigued, she decided to delve deeper into the world of this humble produce. She discovered that mushrooms are rich in B vitamins, which help the body derive energy from food, and they also play a crucial role in brain health. This was particularly interesting to Sarah, who often found herself feeling lethargic. With a newfound determination, Sarah started incorporating mushrooms into her diet. A mushroom omelet for breakfast, a stir-fry for lunch, or a hearty mushroom soup for dinner. She found creative ways to make these little powerhouses a part of her meals. Weeks turned into months, and Sarah started noticing changes. Her energy levels improved, and she felt more alert. She was falling sick less often and felt stronger overall. Her experiment with mushrooms seemed to be paying off. Sarah's story is not unique. Many individuals around the world have experienced the benefits of incorporating mushrooms into their diet. They are not just a delicious addition to your meals, but a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your health in numerous ways. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile. They can be sautéed, grilled, stewed, or even eaten raw. They can be added to salads, sandwiches, pastas, and a plethora of other dishes. Their unique flavor and texture can elevate any meal, making them a delight to cook and eat. So why not give mushrooms a chance? Try adding them to your meals and experience the difference yourself. Not only will you be introducing a new flavor to your palate, but you'll also be nourishing your body with essential nutrients. A win-win, don't you think? Remember, good health is a journey, and every small step counts. So go ahead, take that step, and unlock the power of mushrooms. In the world of nutrition, they truly are the unsung heroes. Here's to good health, one mushroom at a time. If you've enjoyed learning about the magic of mushrooms and are amazed by their versatility, why not embrace them fully? Join us in the Fungi Fan Club by subscribing to our channel. We delve into the fascinating world of everyday foods, revealing their hidden benefits and surprising uses. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Let's continue this journey of food discovery together. So before you go, hit that subscribe button and let's make every meal a marvelous adventure. Don't forget to share your favorite mushroom recipes in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, every counts. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.